What's up everyone, this is Crypto Moves talking about 5 different ways you can earn some free cryptocurrency and get over $300 of free crypto. If you do this today, it means you could be able to get recurring passive income as well. So please stick until the end of the video to make sure that you don't miss out in any important steps of today's strategy and allow you to have the same benefits that other people are having and earn some free cryptocurrency. But before we get started, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have already hit the bell notifications on, please do so you can be the first ones to get notified once I release a new video on cryptocurrency and how you can benefit from it. I also want to say that this is by no means financial advice, so you are advised to always do your own research before making any investment and taking any action. So without any more delay, let's go into today's strategy and let me show you in the computer how it works. In today's strategy, I'm gonna show you different websites where you can actually earn cryptocurrency. So the first website which I would like you to come to is called Coinbase.com-earn, and basically on this website you are going to get paid for doing different tasks and completing different courses. I've actually got paid without even completing some of them, so you could actually go through each of them and then you could complete. I will advise you to complete all of them, but just to say that actually they will pay you either way, in some of them, even if you complete it or not. But I'll advise you to complete all of them, and then you're gonna be able to get cryptocurrency in return. So I'll advise you to come check it out, and then this is something that if you could accumulate it and with the other websites that I'm gonna tell you, then it's something that is gonna add up, and you could start earning cryptocurrency from different places. And as you can see, cryptocurrency is gonna be going up, it's gonna keep going up, it's not stopping. So it's a great way for you to be able to have a good return on your investments. Okay, so that's the first website which I would like you to come to, which is coinbase.com-earn. In order to sign up, you just need to click on start earning, and then you just fill up all the information, and then you could continue into the next step. Then we'll send you a confirmation email to your email address, so make sure that you check the email, and then you can click on there just to verify your email address. So the next website which I would like you to show you is called N.sparpoint.io. So this website, it will allow you to earn crypto by doing simple bounties and tasks. So you can come here, check it out, find out more information about it, but it's very simple. You just need to sign up, then you just verify your account, then you complete your task, and then you'll be able to earn some money. So you can check the reviews, and the reviews are actually very good from people, and I know that people are making money with it. So I will advise you to just click on find out more about it, so then you can see the information here, and then the next step will be to get started, and then you just need to register. Once that you register, it will ask you for your information like email, password, and so on, and it will be the same process. They will send you information to your email address, and then you will need to verify your account. And then just so you can see that this is a reliable website, when I go and check out the coin market cap, and the market cap for this specific company is 18 million already, which is actually great. So you can see that it's a reliable place, so I will advise you to come check it out, and then you could just sign up with them and start earning money. Okay, so the next website which I would like to show you is called brave.com. This is actually a browser which is much more secure than other browsers like Google Chrome or Safari that you use on the daily basis. So I advise you either way to download this browser because it's faster. You can see the comparisons here, and then you can see that this browser is much better, but at the same time, whilst you browsing, you're gonna be able to get some rewards. So As you can see here, you will get rewarded for browsing and support your favorite content creators. So this is actually great. If you're spending a lot of time on the internet, you could definitely get some benefit from it, and then you will start getting some cryptocurrency. So again, I'll advise you to come have a look, check it out. This is by no means a financial advice. This is just some ways where you can actually earn some extra cryptocurrency, and hopefully this can grow and grow into something much bigger. Okay, so the next website which I would like to show you is called lolly with double li.com, and this website is going to money when you shop. So it's actually great if you're doing a lot of online shopping, because they're gonna give you money back. They're gonna give you cryptocurrency back in different stores. So let me show you. It's as simple as just come here, and then you can just download it and add it to your Chrome, which is free for you to download, and then you can just go to a website and you can start earning money. So you can go to different places, like for example Udemy, they give you like 16% Bitcoin back, and then Adidas, they give you 9.5 Bitcoin back, and then Groupon 8% Bitcoin back. So actually it's good, because if you're using these websites on the daily or monthly basis, it's actually a good place that you could get rewarded for using for buying them. They're gonna give you Bitcoin back, which is actually very good, because this Bitcoin will keep growing and will keep getting bigger and bigger. So obviously it will be a point where there is no more Bitcoin, and then obviously the value will be much bigger. But until then, you can benefit from all this and get money back from your purchases, So the next website which I would like to show you is called Eyedrops.io. And Eyedrops.io is gonna actually tell you when new products come up. So as well, you can get rewarded, because these companies, they're not gonna be listed on the bigger exchanges. However, they will give you the opportunity there to get rewarded. So they will give you some type of bonuses. So by being alerted, if you actually go into airdropalert.com, here they're gonna give you alerts, and then you can join the best airdrops, and then you can start earning crypto. So I will advise you to come here and then check it out, and then sign up by adding your name, your contact details, and then they will send you an email verification to your email address, and then your account will be verified. There are more questions here. If you got any other questions, you can come and check them out. But it's a good website to be part of, because if you do, then you're gonna be alerted when these products come up and any other things that it might benefit you, because these are smaller projects, so obviously they want to get known, so they will give you giveaways and things that you could benefit from. So as I say, like there are many different websites that you could start using from today, where you could start making money and earning some crypto on the side. Like we say, it was the Coinbase. The next one we say was a SparkPoint, and then we said we had brave.com, which was the browser, which you can as well earn cryptocurrency. And then lolly, if you do a lot of shopping online, this will be great, because they'll be giving you a percentage back in any shopping that you do. So the only thing you just need to do is just click there, and then you just they'll redirect you to the Google Chrome, and then you just add the extension, and then the extension will actually appear, and then you can obviously select for the extension to be displayed, and then I got my extension there showing, and it's so great. Okay, so it's very simple for you to just sign up, and then you will be able to get benefit from this. Okay, so this is all for today's strategy. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please give me a massive like, because that will really help me to keep improving the channel and bringing you more and more valuable content that will you could benefit from and get an extra money from. Okay, so if there is anything specific that you would like me to speak on the comments, please click in the comments and just leave your comment there. And additionally, if you want to do an additional training just to learn how you can make more money from cryptocurrencies and do tradings and so on, just click on the first link in the description, because it's a great training if you want to improve your skills as a cryptocurrency just that could be like short or long term investment, but if you want to get better at cryptocurrency and how you could benefit from so many different strategies, just click the link in the description because you will definitely enjoy it. Okay, so I hope that you have a great day and a great week, and we'll speak very soon. Take care, and we'll speak soon.